the seat off. Gonna clean it. Put the Mad Dog seat cover on it. Give you a little extra cushion. Unstrap the 3 straps. Tighten down all the fasteners. Looks like they might catch a little bit on when I'm putting it back in. I guess I'm gonna trim the excess. Well, for 16 bucks, not that bad. Some extra padding. The long road trips I take around here, Gum Neck and elsewhere. The buckles that you use to tighten everything down are pretty big. Kind of a weird design flaw for this thing because it doesn't make the seat go on very easily.